Hello my beautiful and wonderful people, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Betty and you are in Bettie's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make Nigerian buns. Please, after watching, do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and liking this video if you enjoyed watching it. The tools that I'm going to be using today are a bowl in which I'm going to mix the batter, a sieve for sieving the flour, a wooden spoon for mixing the batter. As for the ingredients, I have 500 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 whole eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, and 200 milliliters of milk. The first thing to do is to sieve the flour into your bowl. Add in the baking powder, your sugar, salt, and mix it all together. Then you add in the eggs, and finally the milk. Now make sure to mix the batter thoroughly. This is how the batter should look after mixing it. Cover and allow to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Here is my oil. I am using vegetable oil and I have preheated it. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. And here is my batter after resting for 10 minutes. This is the consistency you are looking for when making Nigerian buns. Here is some water in which I'm going to dip in my fingers to avoid the batter sticking onto them. So let's start dropping in the batter bit by bit. Keep on stirring it. As you can see, we are done making our buns and this is the final result. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video and remain blessed. Bye.